Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Innovestech. I hope you guys are doing well. On my previous videos, I showed you how to install Windows, how to install or update driver on PC, how to set up virtual RAM which makes your PC fast whenever you are running a heavy application which requires a high RAM. I also showed you how to make a slow PC fast. Beside PC helping videos, I also uploaded some necessary videos for Android devices. If you need, you guys can also check them. So let's discuss about this video. On this video, I will show you how to free up unnecessary space from your C drive. This is a very common problem arises when you have low capacity of storage on your C drive. Let's say you have 50 GB of C drive and you installed Windows on this drive, so as a result Windows system files will consume the space whatever is necessary. You also install various necessary apps that you need to use daily. You may also install a game on C drive. All these are using your C drive space. These are obvious, but what if or when some unnecessary files are consuming the C drive space and you can't find the reason behind the space consuming? There can be multiple reasons behind this. The reason can be your Windows update. Suppose you updated a mass update that came from Microsoft officially. In that case, your old Windows files will be also present on your C drive and your C drive is almost full. There can be also some downloaded files by some additional Microsoft apps, or as example Xbox gaming. You may be logged in your Xbox account and it is downloading a game. The game will use your C drive space. Also, you deleted some big size files, say movie or game, and that deleted files will be stored on recycle bin. The recycle bin will use your C drive space. Despite these problems, I will show you the easiest and fastest way to get rid of this problem. So jump into our first method. Go to settings, then go to system, click storage. Here your PC will analyze the system files. As you can see, in my case, my desktop, Windows Update, recycle bin and some other files or apps are consuming the space. Simply select the files that you want to delete and click remove. Here your removing process will start. So let's jump into our second method. For this, open this PC, then right click on C drive and select properties, then click on disk cleanup, then click on clean up system files. Here system will analyze the files. Now from this window, select all these files that you want to delete, like Windows Update, cache, recycle bin, etc. After selecting, click OK. Cleanup process will start and this will take some time. Keep your PC until the process is completed. after cleanup, here you can see my disk space is increased. So that is the two methods. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.